Hey guys, JD here, testing out the KSPEED Stage 1 kit for the 2022 Kawasaki Ultra 310. So the parameters of this first test are based on only the KSPEED intake rate and Stage 1 tuned ECU. I had a baseline speed of 67 miles per hour before this test. My impeller is in perfect condition, 100% in spec. On this day we had 102 degree intake temps. I had full gear, 50 pounds in the front compartment, as well as 3/4 of a tank of 93 octane fuel. So I wanted to set this up as a real-life test. KSPEED will be releasing their numbers on their closed course testing, but for all intents and purposes for my channel, I wanted to do a test with the gear and all the equipment that I'd have on a normal day out on the water. So with all that, I hit 71 miles an hour with just the intake rate and the tuned ECU, not including the pump wedge. Stay tuned for my test number 2 video, which includes the full KSPEED Stage 1 kit with the pump wedge, intake rate, and ECU. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.